Good seeing you.
Maybe I'll see you next week.
Yep, maybe.
You never know.
See ya.
Later, Jonathan.
The only one dancing at the club.
Oh wait, I'll give it a hand. Wayne's got it too. Hey.
Hey.
Dance coming.
I brought my little point and shoot, so I'm ready.
You brought yours?
A little point and shoot.
Let us see it. Let us see it. What is it? Digital film?
I'm just gonna for a second, but then I'll do this. It's so simple. It's so easy.
Hey, that's all you need. Just like that.
I will give you the most awkward photos.
Total, it's 38.
With shipping? Yeah, he stole that.
25.
Yeah. You actually straight up stole that.
He's like, oh, that's what we always do.
No, like listings were like 100 plus, 80 plus. So I got it for like 25.
If I can find one that cheap, that's what I'm doing. Yeah, not a good deal. Otherwise, I will not get it.
Yeah.
3D.
What's the piece of shit?
What's the minimum distance to the focus? Because you definitely not focusing anything on that.
It's basically like zone focus.
Yeah.
Zone focus, there's a weight on it to make it feel heftier.
Oh, so does it always need flash?
Unless it's like
Outside.
bright as fuck outside. Yeah.
Because if it's zone focus, it's probably like what, F8, F16?
F8 to F8, F11 max.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Oh, you can't change it.
I was telling them I literally jogged to make it to the subway, and I missed it by 10 seconds. So I was waiting 14 or something minutes for the next one, like drenched in sweat.
The question is, are you here? Yeah, my question was, are you here?
He's going to be following us around doing his own thing, but he's going to...
What a piece of shit.
Really?
You see the other guy in the 77 that
Oh, yeah.
We could all sat next to each other and been like family.
Yeah, you should have done like a photo of all of you in the same pose.
Literally, just like I said to Jared, like let's just silently like sit beside him.
The two of you are not the same guy?
Huh? Yeah, right? That has actually happened on the
Wait, can you take his glasses?
Yeah,
We've done that.
We've done that. We did this last week actually. I really do need to get new glasses because this actually is great. I can see so well.
so weird.
Oh my god.
Sorry. Oh shoot.
Don't fall in. Don't stop moving back. What are you doing?
Look up, Jared. Look down. Look down. Sick.
Yeah, why do you have 2 dispensaries?
Drugs, John. Drugs. Did you hear about the war on drugs? We lost. Man. Why couldn't we have two?
This is like inviting
Rubber tires and stainless steel.
I like the public art in New York. It's very good. Do you want us to act like we know each other?
Yeah. Bye, Ashley. See ya. 3, 2, 1.
dark, but I know that if you guys go in the light, you're gonna get wet. Maybe not.
It's kind of fun to do that though.
That's cute. Yay! Hold up. Do that again.
I am so awkward in front of the fucking camera.
Cute. I got it.
Thank you.
Okay.
This thing is.
And as the last photo for Wayne, I just want everybody like to surround him and like.
What are we doing? A couch meme?
No. What? No. You know that meme, but you don't know any. Okay.
I don't know any of your memes.
Okay. All right.